In industries where the stakes are high, precision and adaptability are not just options, they're essential. From aerospace missions soaring into space to the security of flight operations that bring loved ones home safely, we ensure every detail is accounted for. In defense, where every second counts, our solutions support mission-critical systems that deliver performance on the front lines. In the medical field, where life is on the line, our advanced technologies keep vital operations running smoothly and efficiently. In these sectors, production challenges are heightened by the need for high mix and high reliability outputs. The ability to seamlessly switch between different production setups is crucial to meeting these demanding requirements. Europlacer, a global leader in the surface mount technology solutions for the high-mix manufacturing, delivers the flexibility and precision needed for mission-critical applications. Our modular, intelligent systems are engineered to handle complex assemblies and varied production needs across industries. With advanced synchronization and real-time data capabilities, Europlacer ensures that every process, every component, and every assembly is optimized for efficiency and accuracy. Our partners trust Europlacer for the flexibility and reliability that keeps their production running smoothly. Europlacer, redefining high-mix manufacturing, combining precision, productivity, and trust to meet the unique demands of the world's most critical industries.